Hi, everyone. Thank you for coming into this page because I know that something must have struck your mind to press the link to this ad. And that shows that something is bothering you or you are bothered about something. And what exactly are you bothered about? Who am I? Why am I acting this way? Why are people asking questions about my person? You are weird. I don't know you. We don't understand the way you think. How do you think like that? Why are you talking like this? Why are you acting this way? And sometimes in your private heart, in your privacy, as a matter of fact, you start asking yourself some other questions, probing your person, asking yourself, is it true that I'm not normal? Is it true that something is wrong with me? Is it true that I'm weird? You can't even explain yourself to yourself. You are confused about your person. You are confused about the picture of yourself that you see and the verdict and the analysis of yourself from friends, even your parents, from your neighbors. It's like we don't know you. Sometimes to you, you're a paradox, and to others, you're a paradox. I have a good news for you. And the good news is you can actually do your personality assessment test to know you, to understand you, and to know your vulnerable parts, probably your weaknesses and your strengths. That would help your self esteem. It will build you back to normalcy. You will not be bothered again about what people say because you yourself, you've been able to diagnose yourself and know yourself. Doing personality assessment screening tests will give you your exact image. This is not the random personality assessment test. No, this is done by professionals, by clinicians who had sat on people's personality for decades, who are able to screen people's emotions, how they think, what they talk about in their subconscious. It has helped these people to know how human beings are wired, and that is the field of knowledge. In all fairness, we are not supposed to be confused about ourselves. We need to know who we are, how we think, and how we relate. I will encourage you, if you're in this kind of puzzle and you are struggling to fix your life, you're struggling to even relate, it affects your relationship. You've had multiple relationship breakups because the person related with you for 3, 6 months, 2 years, and said, no, I don't know you. I can't continue with you. That alone is delicate for your self esteem. So I will encourage you to just do the personality assessment test. This will show you exactly who you are. And before you know it, if you need therapy, you treat your emotional wounds and you become the best version of yourself. Do it now and you will thank me later.